Hello there, beautiful people. I hope you're doing well and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop on below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. Please be a witness for that for over 200 now videos on Shopify customization because they were mostly requested by you guys, subscribers. Some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. As always, just a like button, it's all I'm asking. Or actually, hold on a second. If you are interested in Shopify, you want to learn how to do anything yourself without having to hire a developer, why not subscribe to the channel, man? I don't have anything to sell. I don't sell any courses, never will. I don't have any paid memberships on the channel. So every little thing I do create, including the codes and the videos, I post them completely free on the channel. And not just any random videos. It's actually videos that people request, questions and issues that people have with their Shopify store. I make a video for them completely free and I do provide them with the code as well, completely free. So it's a win-win situation, but it's your decision. I'll let you decide and I respect your decision. Just a like button if this video helped you out. Even if it didn't, just drop me a comment. I would be happy to provide you the information you need in order to do the thing you're trying to do. Just like this one, because here I am again back with another requested video, which is how to make the buy it now button text bold on your Shopify store. And we will do that again by using our own custom code as always, without using any apps or anything like that. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is the Shopify dashboard. They have here down team, which is the one I do demonstrations on. So every video I do create and every code I do create, I do demonstration in the video on down team because it's the most used one, also is the most requested one from people. But if I scroll down in here, I have every other free Shopify team, the most used ones again, which is Refresh, Spotlight, Taste, Sense, and Trade. And if you are wondering why is that, because I do actually try my codes behind the scenes on all of these teams to make sure that even if you're not using down team, you're using one of these, it should work for you just fine. And even if it didn't, just drop me a comment as I said. And I just have to say this in the beginning to give you that peace of mind because you're going to see me doing it on down team and you might be thinking, oh, maybe it's not working for the others. No, it is. And here is your peace of mind. And without the way, let's just get to it and show you how to make the buy it now button text bold on your Shopify store. And this is the Shopify store where I do all the tricks. So literally every little thing I did on the Shopify store, it's on the videos. So if you saw anything that you see, you liked and you think it looks good, you want to implement it in your store as well, then just check out the channel because once it's here on the Shopify store, that means it's already done in one of my previous videos. And the list is too long to mention. So I would not do that. So let's just click on some product from here. Let's just go for this one. Oh yeah, check out how many things in here. And all of these things, I made them in videos without using a single app, as I said. Check out the shaking effect, as well as this widget that shows random people are viewing this product right now. And this random keeps picking random number each time you reload the page. And yes, without using any apps, by using our own custom code. Come on now, check out the channel, subscribe, man. I'm just joking, I'll let you decide. So we will actually make this buy it now text bold. And as I said, we will do that by using our own code. So we will keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it in action. So the first thing you're going to do is get back to Shopify dashboard. After that, click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit code. Then it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify team. And in here, instead of looking at the folders, because we need to find a specific file, you might get dizzy by reading the folders. Click on the search bar at the top left corner. And again, I have to mention this for the millionth time now. It's going to be either base.css or team.css or style.css. And some rarely custom made teams going to be custom.css, but they mostly use base or style or team. Mine, I know it's base, so type in base, here it is. Click on base. Now let's just scroll all the way down. Let me drag this because it's a huge file. And in here, we need to create some space to paste in our code, but there is no space. And to create that space, simply click front of the last thing in here. In my case is closing bracket, then hit enter on your keyboard. Here we go. We have a completely new space to paste in our code. And where are you going to get that code? As always, description box. Scroll down description box and you will see a link named as code. Click on it and it will take you to this beautiful page right here with this very, very short code as you can see. And this code will make the text on the buy it now bold. If you want it just less bold, remove this and keep it just bold. I want it more stronger, so I'm going to keep it as bolder. So select the whole thing. Make sure to select the closing bracket, right click, copy, and the dot in the beginning as well. Just paste it in here. Click on the save button. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, it's saved. We'll get back in here, reload the page, and see the magic happens. Check it out now. Now it's bolder, as you can see, more than add to cart and order on WhatsApp and make an inquiry or whatever. And that's how you make the buy it now button text bold on your Shopify store. So if you have any questions, make sure to drop on below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.